Here, tsura ko. Ang labo. Nandito lang kami sa picnic grove. Ang labo naman.
Portrait siya eh.
Portrait ba to? Bibili na ng ticket sila. May harang, pasensya na kasi may ano yung kamay ko.
Okay, do we eat first before we start all this?
Yes.
Okay.
Mga ganun, yes.
Let's see.
Hapagni Bayani at Maria or Alamat Restaurant. Alamat Restaurant, I think it's better.
Ayan o, sa Bulaluhan.
For the bulalo ng person. Alamat yan eh. Mga ganun.
For one lang.
Always love you. Ay, salamat po ang init. Sit down first. Yeah, because we're all ladies here. You know.
That volcano? I'm not sure which one, but one of them erupted last year.
Yeah.
Tapos mag-picture naman tayo dyan. Yung stick niya. Yun ang ganda. Pop dito oh.
Jeffrey, I thought you said you were going to do it with me. Oh my God, you going to check it out now?
I never even agreed to that.
Yes, you did.
No, now you're gaslighting.
Oh. I said if I do it,
Ate, picture kayo yan, dali.
Napakaganda.
Look at that view. Diva. Hindi ako makapicture. Say hi to my vlog.
Welcome to my
Land. The land of trees. Cherries. Wow. Ganda naman talaga ng tanawin.
tapos may ano engine.
Say hi. Say hi to my video.
Ay, wala akong lipstick eh.
Hi, Daddy.
Ayan na pala ang mga yokabab.
True.
Kabayo. Kabayo. Sumakan ka.
Pag nalaglag ako ante, hindi nila ako nagkakadoktor. Hawakan ka naman na ano yan. Hi guys!
Bawat isang kabayo, hindi kasi ibayan na magpahawak. Pero pag alam nilang first time mo, hawakan nila yung kabayo.
yeah, the other one we went to was much better. Remember that we climbed up a hill and then we came
Maybe
back
they
down?
will do that.
Okay, horse riding baby. Akin na yung sweater mo. Go Mary! Go Mary! Go Mary!
Go Mary! Go Mary!
Jack, may bibili! Leo! Bubbles! Oy! 50? Magkano yung bubbles?
Where's your horse, Daddy? Go Mary! Go Mary! Big horse for Daddy. Nasa si Jeffrey?
Mama, pasakay ka rin, ma.
Hindi po. May injured ako, injured. And Jeffrey!
Go! Go!
Nakapalikod talaga sa akin ang mga person. Sana all. Pumahating yung mura si Daddy. Iniwan si Madam ah. Diba? Pawisan ako dito. Nandun sila oh. Hindi ako pwedeng mag-horseback riding because of my injury. Si Madam eh. Pinakahuli pa rin si Madam talaga. Huling karangalang banggi.
Pam na mamasyal eh. Kumaya natin.
Madam, mahinang nilalang. Masakit na daw ang kanyang legs. Ah, diba? Toink, 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 toink. Kasunod na mahinang nilalang, si Mary Lulu. Takot ka, at least na-experience mo, di ba? Buti nga hindi ka tulad dati na paakyat pa eh. Kala ko ganun eh. Oops, isa pang mahinang nilalang. Isa pa. About daddy, big horse for big daddy. Diba? Mahusay. How about Jeffrey? Oh, here's Jeffrey. Okay. Daddy, bagay lang sa kanya yung kabayo niya. Ang laki. Kay daddy.
Bayad nga ako ng video ng lalaki. Tapos nag-picture ako. Hindi, habang ginaganon niya ako.
Ito na. Okay. Tapos na. Your butt hurts?
Hurts my culo.
Yeah, because you're tall.
Yeah, up and down.
Now you have to swim.
Nice was over there.
Oo. But the pool is dirty. Is there someone renting this place?
I don't remember soon. I guess it's something new, right? We didn't
Oh,
get
yeah. They renovate this place. We went here before.
Did they?
Oh, yeah, for the boat riding. And some of the places still having renovation, right? It's new.
So we went there before.
Yeah, we did.
But they only
But,
renovate.
oh. That's why it looks new. It looks different. Much better than before. Now they have resort here. Wow.
May ginagawa lang.
Bandang Taal yan. Lalanguyin natin. Ay, papapicture pala si Madam. Thank you.
Pahinga na malalim, no?
Aray ko, salamat po. Yeah. Careful. Kaya nga eh. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you po. Oh my goodness, I'm too heavy.
No, you here. And me. Yeah, because you don't need to... Doon na lang daw. Dito ka, bida. Ayaw niya. Dito.
Saan?
Dito na lang kayo.
Mais kayo dyan ha. Gigigil ako sa inyo.
See, tie this like this.
Come on, like. Diyan yung medyo bata-bata pa, ano? Toink. Ano ba? Nakakailang untog ka na. Nakakailang untog na siya.
Naka-video na yan? Ayaw na. Smart, Jeff.
Ganda. Panalo.
Na kami sa taas.
Malapit na. Iikot daw kami sa Taal. Tingnan natin kung anong ikot yan. town dito. Oh. Pero ito yung mga nasirang bahay na pumutok ang bulkan. Pero meron nga doon, may mga semento po. Tapos may small island din. Oh, taray. Mag-iisa siya dyan. Oh. Pinawayan ni Daddy. Maraming mga fish pond din. It's around 5 in the afternoon. And it's kind of foggy here. Sarili ko. Sa'yo yan, in-order mo yan. Ako dito ako titikim ito.
Dapat nag-ano tayo kahit
Nilagay niya na sa lap niya. At ang mga first time.
Oh, you could just
Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Oh, ayan na day. Kain mo na. Baka Starbucks yun.